Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. You guys, I missed you. If you didn't notice, I have been gone for a few days. So I haven't posted my normal Walgreens and CVS hauls this week. I had the opportunity to go see my baby cousin get married, which was so fun. I got to see so much of my family. And she lives in an amazing place. She lives in Myrtle Beach. And so it was just beautiful. It was so fun to see the beach again and to see all of my family. That was really neat. A couple of you messaged me on Sunday like, are you going to post your Walgreens haul? And that made me feel good that you guys like seeing those videos. I did try to let you know I posted something to the community tab saying where I was. And letting you know I wouldn't be posting normal videos. So today I am back into it. I am back at work. I missed work. Is that weird? But I did. That's how I'm wired. I work. I'm a worker. So today I'm going to tell you all the awesome deals I got at Walmart. I got back. So we woke up at like 2 o'clock our time. Got home around 10. I basically wrote a Walmart list and went straight to Walmart to grab all of this stuff. That way I could still get you a video out today, because I'm also announcing the winner of the three winners of the $100 gift cards that Miles is giving us. So I'm going to be announcing those winners here in just a moment. So I've been so busy with work lately. I've had zero time to shop. So literally the day before we left, I was doing my Walmart haul and I was like, oh my gosh, I need something to wear. So I quickly looked at Walmart, which isn't a place I typically shop. And I saw this dress and I was like, well, that's pretty cute. And I tried it on. Yo, it's super cute dress. So I might even start looking for cute little dresses at Walmart because I thought it was super cute. Okay. Miles winners. So if you're not familiar with the Miles app, I do have a complete tutorial on it. It's an app that gives you what they call miles or points back for the commuting and travel that you're already doing. And so I got to try this out on my flight and I was a little worried because I thought, how is it going to know I'm flying? Like, I'm not even connected to Wi-Fi on the flight. But sure enough, it realized I was flying. It gave me those miles. And then you can use those miles to cash out to gift cards. So I have really been enjoying that app. And so the 3 winners, I'm going to announce here in just a second. Of course, they were randomly selected. Y'all have 48 hours to send me an email at savingwithchristina@outlook.com. And I will get you hooked up with that gift card courtesy of Miles. So the winners are Patricia Henderson, Bethany Ming, and Brittany Peterson. So you guys shoot me an email and we will hook you up with that $100 gift card. Okay, now let's talk about these deals because my ice cream is rapidly melting. And I'm going to start with those. That way I can throw them back in the freezer. So this Blue Bunny Twist cones, there is a great deal on these using the Shopkick app as well as Ibotta. So if you don't have those apps yet, of course I have referral codes that you can use. But you want to snag those apps. For Ibotta, if you don't have that one yet and you use this code, you'll get an additional $10 when you sign up. With Shopkick, grab it using this code here. You'll get an additional $5 when you sign up. Okay, so you want to grab 3 of these. You want to grab the chocolate peanut butter. You want to grab the strawberry one, as well as the chocolate and vanilla. So these were each priced at $4.78 at my store. Now, Ibotta is going to give you back $1.25 for each of them. So that's $3.75 back on Ibotta. And then you're going to get $5.82 back on Shopkick for scanning these items as well as purchasing them, which means your final cost for all 3 is $4.77 or just $1.59 per box. So not a bad deal if you like this ice cream. I still saw some clearance ice cream at my store, so while you're there, definitely check it out and see if you can score some clearance ice cream. I included all of those pictures in my video from last week. Okay, so now that ice cream is back in the freezer, last week I left it on the table the whole time and I kind of had some mush at the end of the video. Let's talk about some more Ibotta deals, and then I'll tell you a couple more Shopkick deals. So, these, if you can still find them, still a deal. The Always Discreets, these are priced at $5.27. You have to get the moderate. There is a coupon for $5 off too in the April Procter & Gamble coupon insert. And then I had a rebate on Ibotta for $5 back when I purchased 2 of them, making my final cost 54 cents or just 27 cents a pack. Now this was a fantastic deal. On Ibotta, these Butterfinger Bites or Bits, it's found in the baking aisle. At first I thought it was like candy, and it is candy, but it's found on the baking aisle. So these are $2.44 each. You want to grab 2 bags of them. So that's $4.88. Ibotta is giving back $4.48, making your final cost 40 cents or just 20 cents per bag. Not a bad price, especially if you like baking with Butterfinger Bits. Another Ibotta deal is on these Simulate Nuggets. My kid is kind of picky and he actually enjoys these. I've bought these in the past because it was an Ibotta deal. I grabbed 2 more. So this is how I did this deal. There is a text offer for a free box. And if you text this number here, they sent me a response back saying, hey, when you go buy this, just send us a picture of your receipt. We will credit you $4.98 for buying a box. So I grabbed 2 of them because not only did I have that offer, but there's a rebate on Ibotta. So grab 2 at $4.98. Text that receipt to this number here. I'm going to put it up on the screen. And then you'll get $4.98 back from them, as well as $5 back on Ibotta, making both boxes completely free. Now, I don't know when that deal ends. It didn't have an end date in the message they sent. But try that out if you want to. I was able to score 2 free boxes. The other Ibotta deals I did was on this Campho-Phenique. This is like anti-itch, anti-pain medicine. These are $3.97 each. There was a $4 off 2 coupon in this week's insert in the Smart Source. So I paid $3.94. I got back $3 on Ibotta, making these 94 cents total or just 47 cents each. Now, the other Shopkick deal that I was going to tell you about is on these little ponds, and I found these in the travel section. I have not been credited on Shopkick yet, but I can update you guys when that does credit. I saw a couple other couponers do this deal, and it worked for them, so I can't imagine it wouldn't, but I can update you. $1.56, I grabbed one of the face creams as well as one of the Rejuvenous creams. These are priced at $1.56. Shopkick was giving back 400 kicks, which is $1.60, making them both free. Now, let's see. Oh, this was an Ibotta offer too, but it uses Ibotta and a newer app called Merrifield. So this Lesser Evil popcorn is priced at $2.98, and this is a big old bag of popcorn. Ibotta's giving $1 back on this. The Merrifield app gave me $1.50, making my final cost for this bag of popcorn just 48 cents. Now, the remaining deals are using a couple of newer apps. So let's talk about Brand Club for a minute because I know a lot of people are having issues. I have sent them an email and we've been talking back and forth. I do have a full tutorial on Brand Club, so if you have no idea what I'm talking about, definitely check out that tutorial, but let me give you an update. So I was talking with someone there, and they said that now the surveys that we do, let's say we take a survey that gives us $3. The surveys that we do, they're telling me will not unlock unless we buy a product that is over that amount. Okay, so if we take a $3 survey, we have to spend at least $3 on a product in order to get that survey unlocked for us. So I am a skeptical person just in general. Like, I like to see things in action versus just in words. And so I wanted to try it out before I talked with you guys about it. So I did. I went to the store and I grabbed these Sargento cheeses priced at $3.18. I grabbed 2 of them. The survey that I had taken was less than $3.18. So based on what they told me, I assumed that I would get that money back. And as you can see where I'm going with this, I did not get the money back. Actually, everything I bought, and I bought a number of different items, just trying out different things. That way I could tell you what worked and what didn't work. None of my surveys credited. None of my products even credited. I got this weird message that said, pending delivery confirmation. Okay, well, that's weird because I'm not having anything delivered. So late last night, I sent a picture of that, or I explained what happened and asked what was going on with that. I have yet to get a response there, but I will let you know once I get an update there, or if the money does in fact credit, because what I was planning to do is grab 2 of these at $3.18. There's an Ibotta offer for $1.25 back when you buy 2. And then I was expecting to get $3 back on Brand Club for that survey that I did, which would have made my total cost $2.11 for both of them, or just $1.05 each. But of course, that $3 did not credit yet. So now I'm just waiting. I can update you and let you know, but I don't have high hopes that will credit anytime soon, but I will let you know down in the comment section below. Now, I have been using a new app that I talked about last week called Zardi, and a couple of you responded and said, hey, they're on a wait list, which I was not aware of. But I still want to tell you about a couple of deals that I've done with them, because last week I mentioned you get some of the money when you buy the product, and then you get some of the money when you do like the follow-up questions. So now I've had a chance to actually do those follow-up questions. And I want to say it asked me maybe 7 questions about the product. And then it awarded me the rest of those points. So far I am loving that app. It's going great. I'm already able to cash out for my first gift card, so that's fun. Let me tell you the deals that I did with the Zardi app this week. I grabbed these crescent rolls. These are $1.14. Now, once I have completed the purchase and then the survey at the end, I will get a total of $1.57 back, making these free and a 43-cent moneymaker. I also grabbed these broccoli florets priced at $1. The Zardi app will give me 85 cents back, making this bag just 15 cents. The bread, the white bread, is priced at 93 cents. The Zardi app is giving me back $1.10, making my final cost free and a 17-cent moneymaker. And the eggs, and we just needed eggs. So these were $2.74. I got 95 cents back on Zardi, making these just $1.79 for a dozen eggs. And the last Zardi offer I did was on the Duncan Hines mix, $1.24. Getting 95 cents back, making my final cost 29 cents. So I didn't add everything up total, but I know everything was less than $10, which I think is pretty awesome considering how many groceries I got for that amount. So great deals. I'm realizing as I'm talking, I forgot to tell you about the Nair. So this is on Swagbucks. And it's a freebie, and you want to grab 2 of them, and it's the Nair Sensitive Bikini Cream. They're $3.98 each. Swagbucks, as of this morning when I checked, was still giving back $8 when you bought 2 of them. So that makes both of them free and a 4-cent moneymaker. This did go to review. It didn't credit right away, but within 24 hours, I had the $8 sitting in my account. So easy deal on Swagbucks app. If y'all have questions on this, drop it down in the comment section below. I do my best to respond to every single comment that I see and can get to. I know that I miss one here and there. Believe me, don't take it personally. I'm not just choosing you not to respond to. Sometimes they just get lost in the shuffle of the day. Hope y'all are having a fantastic week, and I am excited to be back. Thanks.